Hello friends, welcome to our new video. Today we are going to talk about a fun technology. Let's start. We are going to talk about drone technology. Flight technology has recently developed towards many important and excellent achievements. The following are some of the main drone technological advances. 1. Printing locations. One of the main developments in flight technology is the expansion of printing locations. This means drones can now move more automatically and save more time and energy on their submissions. 2. Sensing and navigation. Using innovative sensor technologies, drones can now navigate independently, improving their mobility and safety. 3. Battery life. There have been significant developments in drone battery life, allowing them to fly for longer periods of time and travel longer distances. 4. Performance and self-guiding. Drone movement and performance have been improved. The ability to balance them automatically has also been improved. 5. Connectivity and wireless technology. New wireless technologies are used, such as 5G, which provide fast, smooth, and secure connectivity for drones. 6. Collision avoidance systems. This technological advancement has increased the ability of drones to avoid collisions during activity. Through these technological developments, drones have become able to replicate many uses in the modern world, and their use is rapidly increasing in various fields. If you like the video, then like it, share it with your friends, and subscribe the channel for such informative videos. Thank you.